It's the day 4 of the rescue and relief operations here at Chashoti village in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. Right now we are at ground zero, and here you can see that Indian Army personnel are trying to build a temporary bridge here over this Nala. There was a bridge here, but that got washed away during the floods on Thursday. Now Indian Army personnel are trying their level best to build a temporary iron bridge so that vehicles can move to other side of this village. But you can see that it's a mammoth task. It's a very challenging rescue operation, and JCB machines are being used to clear the debris, to clear the rubble. As per the latest information, more than 60 dead bodies have been recovered from the rubble here at Chashoti village in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district, and efforts are on to trace the missing people, because as per the authorities 70 to 80 people are still missing, and the rescue teams are working on war footing to trace the missing people. There are different rescue teams here working in close coordination, whether it's the NDRF, SDRF, Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, paramilitary forces. They are working in close coordination, and it's a joint rescue and relief operation. Efforts are on to trace the missing people on that side. On my right side, you can see that cutters are being used to break the huge boulders. Remember on Thursday when there was a cloud burst incident here, there were massive floods and these boulders came rolling down from the hilltop, and now these boulders are lying all across this village. Trees got uprooted, huge trees got uprooted. It's a mammoth task, it's a huge task for the rescue teams, but they are on their job. They are trying their level best to clear the debris, and these boulders are being broken so that the rubble can be cleared and people who are missing can be traced. But it's a massive tragedy that has struck here in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. It's the day 4 of the rescue and relief operations. You can see that Indian Army personnel, Jammu and Kashmir Police, SDRF, NDRF are on their job. They are clearing the debris. Senior officials are camping here at the site. They are closely monitoring the rescue and relief operations. You can see JCB machines are in action. They are clearing the rubble, they are clearing the debris from this site. And Indian Army is trying to build a temporary bridge over this Nala. There was a bridge here, but unfortunately that got washed away during the floods on Thursday. Efforts are on to clear the debris, to clear the rubble, and after that a bridge will be built. There is no motorable bridge right now on this Nala. There is a temporary wood bridge, but only people can pass through, people can walk through that bridge. Vehicles can't move to the other side of the village. On the other side, you can see that many houses have been damaged. Many houses got washed away on Thursday. You can see the extent of damage that has taken place. It's a huge tragedy that has struck Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. As I said, that senior officials from the civil administration, police, army, SDRF, NDRF are also here on the spot. They are monitoring the relief and rescue operations. Yesterday, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Umar Abdullah visited this site and they took stock of the situation. It's not an easy operation. It's going to take time, but rescue teams are on their job. They are trying their level best to clear the debris as soon as possible. Rescue teams are working on war footing to clear the debris. We are at ground zero. We will be getting you all the updates. As I said, that 70 to 80 people are still missing and efforts are on to trace them. With video journalist Iraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from ground zero at Chashoti village in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district for India Today.